think a nice bike ride through Hawaii would be relaxing, until this happens. At first, it looks like the car is completely at fault, but watching closely, you'll see it actually swerves to avoid a woman on the side of the road, throwing rocks. And judging by how many are already scattered across the lane, this wasn't her first shot either. Cruising through New York, this rider's chill moment gets cut short by an impatient SUV behind him.
What do we got there? Little MT-03, it looks pretty good. The Punisher.
Sure, he stopped at a green light adjusting his gloves with not exactly the best timing, but that doesn't excuse what the driver does next.
Dude.
I was watching.
What's that? That's funny to you?
I'm sorry?
That's funny to you?
Yeah, I saw you was like driving, so Confrontation.
Yeah, dude, you fucking kill somebody like that.
Yeah, I know. So,
Wild. Wild.
During a group ride, this biker kicks it up a notch, only to find himself in trouble when he can't commit to the next corner. Watching it back, it's clear he either second-guessed the lean or just wasn't prepared for the curve. Thankfully, he walked away, but it's a strong reminder to always gear up, know your limits, and respect the ride. After getting cut off on the street, this biker makes the risky choice to turn around and confront the driver. When he pulls up, you can even see another driver point out the culprit.
Lady almost killed me? I was right behind her, and I said to my wife, I go, watch out for the dude on the motorcycle. And because I could fucking tell. And she almost took me out. I know it, dude. I watched the whole fucking thing. And I said it before it even happened. As you were coming up, I said to my wife, further out. Watch out for the dude on the motorcycle. Yeah, it was I was stupid for passing that guy, but she wasn't even, she looked at me. She looked right at me. Yeah. Ma'am, you almost ran into me. That was super scary for me. It's okay, I'm not mad. That's fine, that's fine. It was just super scary for me. It was this close. That's okay, have a good day. Yeah, well, don't worry about it, man. Just watch out for us guys. Cause thank you. Have a good day. Have a good day.
Luckily, no one was hurt, and while confronting someone isn't always smart, at least the rider kept it verbal and didn't escalate the situation. This rider gets caught off guard when his buddy randomly changes routes mid-ride. It's a small move with big consequences, and a reminder that good communication between riders is key.
Hey, sorry about giving you a hard attack.
Dude, just scared the shit out of me.
You usually expect crashes and group rides to come from someone acting reckless, but in this case, it's simply a rider following too close. One small misjudgment, and they rear-end the bike ahead.
You okay?
Well, we need to get you up out of the road.
Yeah, let's get down the road because we're still in Arlington.
Luckily, everyone was okay, but it's a clear reminder of just how important spacing and awareness is when riding in a pack. Things can go wrong quicker than you think.